Hello everyone, so it's Susie. Welcome back to S&R Life and Pets. Today I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. I kind of already opened it just to make sure that's what it was. But I ordered my man, my husband, the Manscaped machine. He's been asking for it for a while and finally decided to get it. So I want to go ahead and show you guys really quick. So it's the Manscaped, the Lawnmower 3.0. It's the newer one. So this is what it looks like. And then I have to open it. I didn't think this out. Let me see if I can. There's like a little sticker here. I'm wondering if I could just lift it up. I hope he likes it. Okay. Great. Ooh, it's so nice. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of small. I like that light. And then it comes with this little thing kind of showing you how to do it. Then this is the little like cable and then a little cleaning brush. What is in here? Oh, the hub. I like this little bag. It's really nice. And then this is the little stand. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and this is just like the little manual thing. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's very self-explanatory. It's a trimmer, but it's a very nice trimmer. So, I'm gonna have him follow up with like a review and what he thinks of it. But yeah, I hope he likes it. I'm excited. I'm gonna be using this too. Yep. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. If you guys have this machine, let us know what you've thought of it, what your experience has been. And if you want to get it, we'll let you know what we think. Alright, bye.
Aren't you supposed to use it the other way?
What's going on, SNR Life and Pets fam, and welcome back to another video. Like my wife introduced in the beginning of the video, she did get me the Lawnmower 3.0 from Manscaped. So what I did was, when she got it, I opened it up. I let it charge because it said to let it fully charge, and then I just decided to clean myself up. As you guys can see in the video, came out pretty good. I have no complaints. It's actually really good. Like the light here, like it was really good. Like I was able to see everything. It was just amazing. She knows that I've been wanting this for a while. We heard like great things about it, and yeah, she just decided to get it for me. Now, one of the only things I didn't like is when I was shaving, it really like didn't get like a close enough shave like I thought it was. But for the most part, it did come out good. I think like it leaves like a little bit of stubbles, which you could probably just get with a razor. But I did have a lot of hair here. I don't know if you guys remember, but you see it did cut off a lot. And it's really good, man. It's skin safe, which my skin is really sensitive. Um, it's it's waterproof, which is another good thing. It's cordless, so you don't have to worry about getting a cord. And then, like I said, the light, and it's just really good. I'll probably do like another review later on, but because this is my first day using it. But other than that, it's pretty good. Oh, and it's little, it's small, so it's not huge. It fits really good. It like the texture is good. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels really good, and it's not like that slippery material, and it's just the sleek design is just really good. So if you guys want, man, definitely get this. Check this out. It's really good. And even ladies could use it too as well. It's not just a man's thing. Ladies are able to use this, and you won't regret it. You will not regret it. All right, guys. So we actually gonna close out the video here. Let me go get my bed back. So we hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0.
Yes, and if you guys, as I stated earlier before, if you have used it before, if you haven't and you want to try it out, let us know. For the ones who have, let us know what you think. This is the newer one. This is the 3.0.
Yeah, they have a 2.0.
Yeah, so let us know like if you guys have the 2.0 because he had never got that one yet. But yeah, just let us know what you think or if there's any other ones that you like or prefer. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And hit the little bell icon for notifications on our next videos.
Bye.
Bye, guys.